Get off my car though. You guys giving dents on my car, you bet.
You man, Gil trying to break your car because I'm telling you.
Come on. My car ain't nothing to play with.
Oh my god.
What are you doing? Hey, come on. You gotta start.
Come here. Yo, I ain't trying to make a dance. Like, come on, yo. Like, come on. No, I ain't trying to make a dance. Come on. No, I ain't trying to make a dance. But Gil can grab me though. Come on, I ain't trying to make a dance. Gil it, come on. Gil it, I ain't trying to make a dance. Come on, bro. I want to go home. No, Zach, take me home. I don't want to try to stay here. I really got to play your dance. I'm trying to go home.
We'll leave it.
No, it's going
Your man, he's asking you to get out of the car.
I ain't trying to play good dance like you
Wait, it's his
saw.
car though.
I got hit it.
Embarrassing people to so bad.
Like, I got hit it.
Maybe you have to cry on camera.
Chuck.
No, Zay, come on, Zay.
Jump.
Zay, come on, Zay.
Yeah,
Zay,
no,
go
jump.
hit it.
real nigga, man.
Zay, I got hit it. Come on. Zay, hit it. Bro.
Chuck, come on.
Zay, come on, Zay.
Shot.
Come on.
Boy.
Come on, Cage. Look.
Only Gil with the king.
Look.
Zay, come on.
Look.
You got hit it.
Move, man, move.
Come here. You got hit it, man. Fuck. Zay, can you close the door? Like, really cool. Like, they take me off camera. I'm not in the mood right now.
Man, why are you crying? Because of dog.
You're mad. I got a headache, and you feel got people chasing dogs. After people like,
He chased the dog.
they got dogs chasing me. I tell you, I got a headache.
I was crying for the winning nigga snap.
I'm a Gil and Cat, but I stepped on the dog.